Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in Mbbs College. Start by making a simple weekly plan and protect study blocks like appointments. Break long material into 25 to 50-minute focus sessions with short breaks. Mix reading, diagrams, and flashcards to reinforce memory. Review notes within 24 to 72 hours and test yourself frequently. Keep study goals realistic and adjust based on exam schedules and clinical duties. Build reliable daily habits that support learning and well-being. Arrive to lectures prepared and summarize key points immediately after class. Schedule one clinical topic and one theory topic each day to link knowledge with practice. Use brief, active study sessions of 30 to 50 minutes and honor a consistent sleep routine. Small, steady steps beat last-minute cramming and help you perform better during exams and rotations. Choose tools that match how you learn and stick with them consistently. Combine flashcards, question banks, and summary sheets for layered review. Create one-page flowcharts for complex systems and redraw them weekly for retention. Study groups should focus on active quizzing rather than passive reading. Balance peer discussion with solo practice questions to identify weak areas and track progress over time in a calm, steady way.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.